How to provide smooth transition in Premiere Pro. Take two different videos on the timeline. Now take an adjustment layer and place it on top of the two videos. Find the blur effect from the effects panel and apply it to the adjustment layer. Open the effect control panel, keyframe the first position and set the blur amount to 00. Then finally give the keyframe and let its amount be 0. Now come between the two video clips and set the blur value to 50. Play now. Your smooth transition is ready. Subscribe to our channel to watch similar videos.